Asana Tips and Tricks Tutorial App. The pros, the cons. The Asana Tips and Tricks tutorial app is designed to help teams and individuals manage projects more efficiently. Most people get this wrong by underutilizing Asana's features, but here's the surprising truth: mastering even a few tips can drastically improve collaboration and productivity. A major pro is the step-by-step guidance. The app teaches features like task assignments, due dates, project timelines, and custom fields. For example, you'll learn how to create dependencies between tasks, set recurring tasks, and visualize progress using Asana's timeline or calendar view. Another advantage is workflow optimization. You won't believe how much time you can save using shortcuts, automation rules, and integrations with tools like Slack, Google Drive, or Zoom. The app also provides tips on organizing projects by priority, labels, and sections, which helps teams stay aligned and reduce confusion. The tutorial includes practical examples and mini projects. Users can simulate real-life project setups, track progress, and experiment with advanced features like dashboards and reporting. This hands-on approach accelerates learning and ensures skills are immediately applicable. On the downside, some advanced features or integrations may require Asana's premium plan. Beginners may initially feel overwhelmed by the number of features, and the app alone can't replace consistent team communication. In conclusion, the Asana Tips and Tricks tutorial app is an excellent resource for improving project management skills. But combining structured lessons, practical exercises, and advanced feature guidance, it makes Asana more approachable and effective. With consistent use, this app can help teams and individuals maximize productivity and keep projects running smoothly.